Okay, guys, so here is a 12-inch, I think, Mytek oscillating fan, and it is actually pretty cool. I use it all the time in my slideshow videos. Um, it is number 15 for the number of fans. This is number 15. So it is made of all plastic, like some Lasco fans. What's cool is that it actually has a 360-degree rotating switch. It can either start from low or start from high speed. I decided to make a video of it because it's pretty cool looking. So yeah, that's it for this one. So thanks for watching.